I'm going to expose 8 myths about cardio for fat loss. For fitness tips and effective workouts that you can use at home, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 1, cardio is the only key to fat loss. 30 years ago, most fitness professionals thought this was true, but research has shown that there's far more to fat loss than just cardio. Strength training and diet play a major role too. We know now that 90% of your fat loss can come from what you eat, not how long you work out. If you love cardio workouts and are seeking a caloric burn, try cardio and strength classes all in one place so you can mix it up regularly. Number 2, any cardio under an hour is useless. In reality, half an hour a day of cardio, be it running, elliptical, stair climber, jumping rope, or cycling, works wonders. Rather than forego your workout altogether because you're trying to hit 5 cardio sessions a week, some days this may end up being several bouts of 10-minute workouts. A little cardio here and there will add up to your overall goals. High-intensity interval training has proven to be effective in building muscle and maximizing on minimal time. Number 3, cardio is the best way to tone. Not even close. According to experts, imagine your body as a furnace and calories as coal. The more muscle you have, the hotter that furnace burns and the quicker it gets through that coal, meaning that storing fat gets quite tough. So performing cardio to lose existing fat is fine, but you always need strength work to maximize fat loss and achieve that holy grail of keeping it off. 1 pound of muscle burns 50 calories a day while you sleep. Number 4, you need to get your heart rate up as high as possible. This might sound like it makes sense, but actually, it's more beneficial to increase your cardiac output at lower rates. Cardiac output is the product of the number of times that your heart beats per minute times the amount of blood being pumped. A stronger, more efficient heart pumps more blood so it can beat slower. Experts recommend 60 to 80% of maximal heart rate depending on your condition and goals. Are you looking for a program you can do at home to help you lose fat, complete with meal plans, supplements, on-demand exercise program, expert coaching, and live support? Check out the Get Healthy with Home program, link in the description. Number 5, aerobic exercise isn't the same as cardio. What most people refer to as cardio is actually aerobic exercise. The truth is, aerobic exercises are cardio, but not all cardio is aerobic. Cardiovascular exercise is any activity that increases your heart rate, so it can include gardening, walking, strength training, running, dancing, and biking, so you can fit cardio into your daily life in ways beyond the gym. All you have to do is anything that pushes your heart rate towards 80%. Number 6, cardio burns way more calories than strength training. Not exactly. A well-designed circuit training program can burn a comparable number of calories to aerobic exercise and provide an alternate toning workout. A calorie-burning strength training workout will emphasize larger muscle groups and will use compound movements using more than one muscle and more than one joint in the legs, back, and chest, or will incorporate total body exercises which may be more conducive to fat loss. Number 7, cardio on an empty stomach will make you burn more fat. Performing a cardio workout first thing in the morning before you've eaten anything can actually cause adverse effects and cause muscle loss. The body goes into an overnight fast, leaving you with an empty stomach, causing your energy levels to get depleted and affecting your overall performance. What may happen is a shortened workout and an afternoon binge because you're starving. Unless you're intermittent fasting, eat breakfast 90 minutes before workout or have a small snack 30 minutes prior. Number 8, you have to go to a gym to do cardio. This myth is ridiculous. As long as you get your heart rate up, any exercise or non-exercise you're performing counts as cardio. So if you can't get to a gym, if it causes you to huff and puff, it counts as your workout. You'll be fitter with extra cash in your pocket. I do my cardio at home with body weight routines and moves such as jump squats, burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and more. The physical benefits to your body, internally and externally, are unmatched. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to find out if high-intensity interval training or steady-state cardio is the best decision for you. That's it. That's all. See you next time.